What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When it comes to the different plays that I have, I obviously have high conviction for them, right? I invested into them for a reason. I've invested into crypto, I've invested into the stock market, I've made money in both. I've made money in collectibles and many other places to where you can invest your money. Um, Now, I think JasmyCoin, or I believe JasmyCoin, is going to be worth a lot more than where it stands here today. And I think the prices that we're looking at, it's honestly like stealing candy from a baby, even though you wouldn't do that. But if you were trying to do something like that, stealing candy from a mannequin, that's what it's going to feel like. Mannequin's not moving. You can easily take the candy. These gains are going to be astronomical. And the fact that you're given this opportunity again is mind blowing because I didn't believe that this would be the case, right? If we saw an altcoin season happen after Bitcoin ran, we would expect to see everything really run, everything making a move, especially something as popular as JasmyCoin. We're approaching levels of holders that is just amazing. It's going to compound from there. So we will talk about all of this within this video, but it's a huge opportunity. If you guys could hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Also, if you want to check out the link for today's video sponsor, FortisX, feel free to do so. They are keeping your holdings working for you with liquidity pools, managed staking, and being able to invest into many of the top cryptocurrencies that are out there. If you are holding crypto for the long term, this is something you want to have. You can earn up to 18.08% variable APY with no lockups. Or you can withdraw anytime that you want, no lockups at all. And it's built for the long-term holders. If you scroll down here, you have the operations, right? It's been in operation since 2018. It has public audit reports. It has all of the information that you want security wise. And again, I'll say it again, no lockup periods. That's something you don't get with any staking platforms anywhere, is the fact that you have to go through a certain period of time. It could be 20 days, 28 days, without being able to access or see your cryptocurrency. It's just locked up in limbo. And this is something that FortisX offers you, is the fact that you can easily withdraw anytime that you want. So feel free to check out my link for FortisX down below. They have things that I think you would really want to at least check out. Thank you, FortisX, for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and get into the meat and potatoes of this video, which is JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin currently stands at 0.004527. Now, if you asked me back in 2025 that JasmyCoin was going to drop back down to 40% of a penny, I would say no way. But I did say that there's a possibility that anything could happen. So I'm not going to say that it is absolutely no. It's just I didn't think that that would be the case, right? If anything, I thought we would have, maybe opportunities around 70% or 80% of a penny at max, right? Where it's dropping down to. But we didn't, right? It continued to drop, and it's not just because of JasmyCoin. This is where people make that mistake. They say, oh, JasmyCoin is collapsing, it's over, get out of this position. When in reality, everything is falling. ADA is at new lows. JasmyCoin is getting back down to previous levels. You have XRP that's back down to $1, maybe even sub $1. So many other things in the crypto market are falling. The overall crypto market is falling. There is a mass amount of manipulation that can happen for people that are long-term holders that believe in cryptocurrency. Investors or institutional investors want to push you out. And these are the levels that people get pushed out. They're going to look for it. They're like, all right, we have big holders. We need to make sure they get out. If you are a strong holder or a strong believer in where crypto will go and what it will be, you don't need, or you won't get pushed out, right? But they're trying to find lower and lower levels. And that's why I would say I didn't expect to see it at 40% of a penny. I expected to see it at 70% of a penny. So seeing it at 45% of a penny is a shocker, but not something that I'm looking at as a bad thing, right? I'm looking at as a huge opportunity. You have 250 plus thousand followers for JasmyCoin. You have almost 100,000 holders. That's a huge milestone that we can hit. 100,000 holders for a cryptocurrency. You have a $223 million market cap. It's sitting at 122 by market cap when you talk about the top 100 list, top 200 list. Volume, $19.74 million. Volume has definitely been at a low overall because of where the cryptocurrency market is and the fear that's happening in the market. Definitely a lot of fear right now. You have 49.44 billion coins in circulating supply and the max supply of 50 billion coins. Now, my belief is that right here and where we stand, this is your last chance to buy, to hold, to believe in JasmyCoin. Not necessarily because of the news, right? There's no major news that's happening, right? Cross-chain expansion, the core technology that happened with it, partnerships and all that stuff there, right? But the one thing that I wanted to really hone in on is understanding why this is your last chance. Somebody says it's a good coin, buy now, or now is a buy time. Now is the time to buy. And I agree with that, right? These are levels we didn't expect to see, right? As people that are doubters, yeah, they expect to see this or even lower. And if we did see lower, I would have even more. I currently have 3 million JasmyCoin. When it was at 40% of a penny before, I had 1 million JasmyCoin. I now have 3 million JasmyCoin. Everything in my portfolio, because of the way the market is down. I'm not mad at it. I'm not upset at it. I would love to see more and more opportunity, and that's what we're getting. Many people wish for it, and they said, I wish JasmyCoin was down to 40% of a penny. I wish I could have gotten it at these levels. Well, your wish has been granted. The problem is that most people won't take this opportunity and go, oh, I'll buy it right now. They rather wait until it increases and then they'll go, I wish I would have bought it 40% of a penny. Well, you had the opportunity. This is your time. It's right here, right in front of your face. But you decide not to do it. Now, I'm not saying you physically have to buy it. I'm not going to tell you that you either buy now or you lose out on everything. I'm not going to tell you that if you don't hold JasmyCoin right now, you're going to then buy at a higher price and have less JasmyCoin. I'm not going to sit here and say all that, even though it's probably true. You make your decision based on the information that you've seen, but history has shown when you have a massive amount of negativity, yes, you may have a long-term bearish activity that happens in the crypto market, and it may be another 2 years or 3 years. But the point is that you are investing into something that's low to be worth so much more in the end. This is manipulation at its finest. In my next video, I'm going to talk about, when this happens for crypto, we will see crypto absolutely explode, and you will know that you're too late. But you don't want to be too late in something like a JasmyCoin, who truly does have a ton of growth potential. Guys, I want to know what you think about this play. Where do you think JasmyCoin's going? Are you a fan of it or are you not? Are you a doubter or are you somebody that is insanely bullish on JasmyCoin? Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, if you want to check out my link for FortisX, please do so. The link will be down in the description. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, don't forget about that. It is a great platform that offers you 10% deposit bonus on your first time deposit. Extra bonuses up to $10,055, and you can earn up to or enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. Trade a 250x leverage or lower, a 2x leverage, all with no VPN, no KYC that's required. So definitely check it out. Link will be down there in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.